Bakeries are establishments that produce a wide variety of baked goods, ranging from bread and pastries to cakes and cookies. To create these delicious treats, bakeries rely on a range of raw materials that form the foundation of their products. Each raw material plays a crucial role in determining the taste, texture, and overall quality of the final baked goods. Let's explore some of the essential bakery raw materials. Flour. Flour is one of the primary ingredients in bakery products. It is derived from grinding cereal grains, such as wheat, rye, barley, or corn. Wheat flour, in particular, is commonly used due to its gluten content, which gives baked goods their structure and elasticity. Sugar. Sugar is a sweetener that not only adds sweetness to baked goods but also contributes to their texture and color. Granulated sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and various syrups are commonly used in different bakery recipes. Fats and oils. Fats like butter, margarine, shortening, and oils are essential for providing moisture, tenderness, and flavor to baked products. They also play a role in extending the shelf life of certain items. Eggs. Eggs serve as binding agents and add richness to bakery products. They contribute to the structure and stability of the final baked goods. Leavening agents. Leavening agents, such as yeast, baking powder, and baking soda, are responsible for making baked goods rise by producing carbon dioxide gas. This process results in light and airy textures in products like bread and cakes. Milk and dairy products. Milk, buttermilk, yogurt, and other dairy products enhance the flavor and texture of bakery items. They add moisture and tenderness to the finished products. Flavorings and extracts. Various flavorings like vanilla extract, almond extract, and spices add distinctive tastes to bakery products, making them more appealing to consumers. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and poppy seeds, are often used in bakery products to add crunch, flavor, and nutritional value. Fruits and dried fruits. Fresh fruits, fruit purees, and dried fruits like raisins and apricots can be incorporated into bakery items to provide natural sweetness and additional texture. Chocolate and cocoa. Chocolate chips, cocoa powder, and chocolate bars are commonly used in bakery recipes, especially for cookies, cakes, and pastries. Salt. Salt is a crucial ingredient that enhances the overall flavor of baked goods, balancing the sweetness and other flavors present. These are just some of the essential raw materials used in bakeries to create a wide variety of delightful treats. Bakers combine these ingredients in different proportions and methods to produce an array of bread, cakes, pastries, cookies, and other delicious goodies that people enjoy worldwide.